Resort right now. I'm with Zack and his family. You can see all the people in the back of us here. We wanted to come up and talk to guys like this because you have been coming up here for so many years to Houghton Lake.
Yes, we have. We've enjoyed it. We started off with just my wife and my youngest, and it has gone through. I think one year we had a picture of 40 of us that were up here, and we've taken care of almost every. In fact, this year we have all the cottages, all 8 cottages, being fulfilled by our family members.
Okay, how many people have you got up this year?
We got, what do we have, Margaret? How many? We have 26.
Okay.
26 this year, yeah, so.
What is it that keeps bringing you back here?
Well, certainly the place itself, the memories have surfaced through the young kids growing up, playing in the sand, going down. There's a slide in the water that's been here that we've used for 50 years. So the kids, when they're little, up and down the slide. In fact, they still do that. The things that they offer here, we had years of coming up and enjoying horseshoes, volleyball. I was looking through some of my old movies, and I was kidding everybody. I says, I think I got like enough for ESPN special. I think I have like about 15 hours of us playing volleyball, back and forth.
One of the nice things, you've got this nice lake here too, which I'm sure that probably that helped bring you up here. Great fishing out there, for instance, or boating around.
Oh yeah. We got Bob would bring his sailboat, his sunfish many years ago. Jerry's brother would bring a little bigger, sailboat. We had friends that had pontoon boats. They would come and pick us up and take the kids for a ride.
My husband and I came up here first with Mary Ellen and her younger daughter, and then at that time we just had one, my daughter Mary Ann. And we were staying at a different place, and we came over, we could see this place, so we said, oh, this looks like some place where kids could play, so we came here, and then the sisters just kept adding on over the years, so then it turned out that we would just be able to get all the cottages and all the families come up, so.
Took us 50 years to get every single one of them.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah.
All right, well, I'm sitting back here with the guys. Now, we've been talking while you listen to the ladies, but just kind of finding out what, the guys are back here, they're a little more telling the truth about some things.
You can't put that on there, though.
Which I won't get into, but I heard you lost at golf today, so you guys do some golfing up here.
Oh, yes. Yep. 6 days out of the week, between 3 and 6 of us usually go up to the Quest and play.
That's a great course, too.
Oh, it's a wonderful time. We have a really good time together.
Hey, you guys get out here fishing at all?
Yes.
Always like it.
You're the one that's fisherman, huh?
And Anthony.
Okay.
That's my little nephew over there.
Little one.
Yeah, the 7-foot tall giant. Yeah.